Whether you like it or not, when visitors come to your website, they will have an emotional response. If you don't remember anything else from this lesson, remember this. You want people to come to your website and sigh out loud and say to themselves, yes, this is what I have been looking for. I have found the answer to what I'm looking for. That, my friends, is the ultimate goal in all of this course. If you have a website right now, think about what your visitors are feeling when they look at your website. Do they have a positive feeling or a negative feeling? What are some of the factors that make someone feel a positive feeling or a negative feeling? The reason you should ask yourself these questions is because visitors to your website will translate the feeling that they feel when they see your website to you as a company and to the services you provide and to the products you sell. If they have a good emotional response, they're more likely to have a good impression of your company.